Hello, my name is Eric, and I want to tell you important information about Arteris Plus. But first, I need to make an alert. Arteris Plus is sold only on the official website of the product, which you can access through the link in the video description. Be careful, because there are people trying to sell fake products. What is Arteris Plus? Arteris Plus is a dietary supplement that aids in the maintenance of healthy blood pressure levels. This blend contains potent herbal ingredients that aid in this process. These are all natural and effective ingredients that will help you control your blood pressure. With Arteris Plus, you can support the health of your arteries with simple, natural ingredients that have no side effects. There are numerous blood pressure supplements available, but all of them are either prohibitively expensive or have numerous side effects. What are the ingredients inside Arteris Plus supplement? The ingredients in Arteris Plus are sourced from local growers who allow plants to mature naturally and do not use chemical treatments. This formulation contains a number of beneficial ingredients. The most important ones are listed below. Passion flower. In a study published in the journal Nutrition Biochemistry, participants were given 50 mg of passion flower extract per kilogram of body weight. People who took it on a regular basis saw a significant decrease in their blood pressure. Passion flower has the ability to increase GABA, also known as gamma-aminobutyric acid, which helps to lower blood pressure. Passion flowers contain an antioxidant enzyme that aids in blood pressure regulation. Marshmallow plant. Several ailments have been treated with medicinal herbs made from marshmallow plants and roots. It is primarily used to treat respiratory system mucous membrane irritation. Along with treating body abscess formation, it is also utilized to treat stomach and mouth ulcers. Marshmallow has been observed to significantly lower blood pressure in humans as well as to assist manage blood pressure in a healthy range. Corydalus. Corydalus is a light sedative, tranquilizer, an excellent treatment for emotional disorders, mild depression, and small intestine spasms. Additionally, it lowers blood pressure. It has anti-inflammatory properties as well. Prickly pear. This plant is used to treat several ailments. Only young leaves are consumed since older ones are difficult to get. It is used to treat viral infections as well as type 2 diabetes, high cholesterol, obesity, colitis, and other conditions. It is also a powerful blood pressure lowering drug. Pectin and fiber included in prickly pears may help lower blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar in the stomach and intestine. It might also possess qualities that could aid in virus eradication. California poppy seeds. California poppy seeds, which are high in nutrients and antioxidants, have been used as an ancient traditional remedy. The poppy plant contains morphine, codeine, and other substances that may help with pain suppression and can be used as a pain reliever. It may also help with heart health and skin care. It is also thought to have blood pressure lowering properties. How does Arteris Plus supplement work? Arteris Plus is a natural and powerful formulation that helps to lower blood pressure and also to maintain a healthy blood pressure range in the future. Once you start taking Arteris Plus, it will help to dilate the arteries, ensuring better blood flow throughout the body. This will ensure that your blood pressure is in a healthy range. This effectively regulates your blood pressure in a natural way without having to suffer from any of the side effects. What are the benefits of Arteris Plus? The benefits of using Arteris Plus are given below. Helps to reduce blood pressure. It ensures better blood flow throughout the body. It provides you with more energy. More effective and natural way to treat blood pressure. It follows strict, sterile, and precise standards. It helps to support the health of your arteries. Help support heart health. Also, help regulate blood sugar levels. I truly believe this formula will change your life. Access the official Arteris Plus website to revolutionize your health and become the new healthier you today. Take advantage of the promotional prices. This offer is for a limited time.